This is a tribute video to my lovely mum, who sadly passed away in February. Mum was such an inspiration and taught me how to cook. She was such a big part of my YouTube channel and enjoyed the tastes of recipes from around the world. I will always love and miss you, Mum. "300 grams of beef skirt." Cut the beef into strips. Cut into small pieces. Peel and chop 4 or 5 small potatoes. Peel and finely chop 5 brown onions. Peel and cut half a Swede. And then grate the Swede on the bigger side of the grater. In a large mixing bowl, add 500 grams of all-purpose flour or plain flour and add 250 grams of margarine. Cut the margarine into cubes and rub it into the flour. Keep rubbing in until you have a rough breadcrumb mixture. Gradually add 3/4 of a cup of very cold water. Mix until well combined. Roll out the pastry to your desired size, or you can also use a plate. Shape the pastry into discs. In the center of the disc, add the potatoes and the diced Swede. Add the small beef pieces and a knob of butter. Add the chopped onions and then season to taste with salt and white pepper. Take the bottom of the pastry and bring the top of the pastry to meet to ensure that the filling is all covered. Gently crimp the pastry. There's no need to egg wash the pastry to do this step. When all the pasties are done, this is the time that you need to egg wash them. Place the pasties into a preheated oven marked 180 for 20 minutes. Turn the oven down to 160 and bake for 40 minutes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment.